Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable, customize this phone to get personalized content on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on privacy. Then in the privacy screen, go down and tap on customization service. In here, tap on customize this phone. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And after that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now, once you turn on customize this phone, you can also tap on customize apps and select which apps you want to use the personalized service. So go down the list here and choose which apps you want to turn on or turn off personalization. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.